Xolani replaces Xolani on the Moja Loves killer drug busting show Sizokthola. Our favorite drug busting show Sizokthola comes back on our small screens with a new official host. These news were announced on the statement by Moja Love, and the statement was released on the 23rd of February 2024. According to this statement, Sizokthola will now be hosted by Xolani Maphanga, who is another founder of Sizokthola and Xolani Khumalo's friend. Xolani Maphanga is also a host on one of Moja Love show's X-Repo. In an interview that Xolani had with DJ Sbu 2 months ago, Xolani told DJ Sbu in the Hustlers Corner that him and Xolani are the ones who came up with the concept of Sizokthola, and then they sold it to Moja Love. You remember that Xolani Khumalo was ex on the Moja Love Sizokthola after a case of murder was opened against him. Xolani Khumalo explained in the Hustlers Corner and told DJ Sbu that the alleged drug dealer who died exactly on the last day of their shoot of Sizokthola Season 2. After a case was opened against Xolani Khumalo, Moja Love released a statement distancing themselves from Xolani and his crew. After Moja Love distanced itself from Xolani and his crew, South Africans were so angry at the channel, saying that the channel betrayed Xolani, and since then, they started showing love and their support to Xolani. Since then, Xolani has been enjoying the love and support that he's been getting from his fans, and has been on several interviews after that. His recent interview was with the podcast and chill with Meg G and Saul. Well, I haven't watched that interview, so I don't know what he was talking about there. As I have mentioned that Xolani Maphanga is the new host, I know that you guys are probably wondering how does Xolani Khumalo feel about the new host of Sizokthola and the announcement that is coming for Season 2. Well, as I was mentioning that Xolani Maphanga is the new host, Xolani Khumalo told DJ Sbu that Xolani Maphanga is his friend. He doesn't mind him hosting the show because they both started this thing together. So all in all, ladies and gentlemen, Xolani Khumalo is cool with X being the host of Sizokthola. And back when the interview with DJ Sbu happened, we didn't even know that there will be Season 3. So in a statement that was released by Moja Love, they announced that Sizokthola Season 3 will come back on our small screens from April 2024. I'm actually wondering how fans are going to react with this new season. So if you're a Sizokthola fan, please comment in the comment section and tell me, since we have a new host, are you guys still going to watch Sizokthola? I mean, I was not really a fan of the show from the first place. So with that being said, please share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Oh, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on another video.